Hello everyone and welcome to the arcade. In this video we're going to show you how you can take DXF files and convert them to printable PDFs using Autodesk TrueView. So in this example we're going to be starting with a DXF file downloaded from the website. I've already cleaned it up a little bit to remove the stuff I'm not interested, to make things a little bit easier for viewing. Using the scroll wheel on the mouse, I'm zooming in and out to try and get everything that I want to print centered and nice on the display. Now we move up to the ribbon at the top, and under Output we click on Plot, which brings up this menu. Now we go and select our printer. In this case we're going to be using DWG to PDF. We now move to the Scale section, and we want to uncheck the Fit to Scale, and we want to set up a custom ratio of 1:1, which means 1 inch equals 1 inch on the print output. Next we have to change the drawing orientation to portrait. Under plot area we want to change it to window, which is why we were trying to center the drawing earlier. And basically what you do is you draw a box around what you want to print. You need to make sure everything that you have is highlighted, but you want to leave as little extra space as possible around the edges so that you can use as small paper as possible. Now we need to go to our printer and set up the properties for printing size. Basically you have to go here and wind up selecting a custom size. So you add, you can basically go through and follow the little wizard for it as well. In this case we know that the width is 32 inches from the CAD drawing, and we're looking at a height of 85, and this will include the side panel and the top, and pretty much you can leave everything else as default. You want to name it what you want to name it, so you can find it later in the drop down. Click on Next and then Finish and then OK. Once this is done, it will then prompt you if you want to save this for all your future plots as well. Now you need to select your paper size to what you just created. Usually it defaults all the way at the bottom. And that's basically the end of the process. You can click on Preview at the bottom to make sure that your drawing fits within the paper that you've defined, and then you can click on OK to actually print. When you print, it will prompt you to save the file, and this will be your PDF that you can now take to your local print shop. Hopefully you found this video useful with it. There are some situations where I don't always put the parts besides the side profiles in printable PDFs. So if you need to put something else on a printable PDF, here you go. Thank you all. See you next video.